Welcome to Denmark. I am currently in Copenhagen. And I'm heading to the colorful buildings here by the canal. But look at all these buildings. Like, you have a more modern building, then you have the old school buildings right here, which I really like. There's a lot of construction, at least where I'm staying at. So yeah, it's so far it's a beautiful city, but I can't wait to get to the like the canal part or whatever it is. So I will talk to you guys again when I get there. I've also noticed, which I kind of already knew this, but this is a big bicycle culture, and as you can see, there are a ton of bikes over there, and right up here, right there, is a whole bunch more. There's a lady riding a bike right there. And in the Netherlands and Denmark, and I think kind of the rest of Scandinavia, it is very, like, biking is very big in their culture. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of them, so kind of interesting. So this is not the painted house, but hey, look at this. You stand here and there's a great view, there's a church in the background. It really is a beautiful country. I've only been here for, I don't know, I got here last night. Like, this is really my first time coming out here today, and it's a gorgeous country, so I can't wait to see the colorful buildings. Lots and lots of bicycles. Like, everywhere you look, there's more. Like, there's more on that side of the street. They're here, they're everywhere. So very big biking country or culture. But I'm about to the painted houses, so that'll probably be the next clip. There are the colored houses, the famous canal area. It's a beautiful area, let's say that. And they're actually on both sides. There's colored houses over there and over here, so this would be a great spot for a picture. I'm not sure when these houses got like painted or why they're painting these colors, but it's a beautiful area, and it's like this whole entire street here, and then there's a whole bunch of shops where you can like sit outside. It's a beautiful area, and I believe some type of government building is down over there. It's kind of hard to see on the GoPro, but I'm probably going to walk down there and I'll show you. But yeah, it's a beautiful area here in Copenhagen, so couldn't be any better. I'm not sure why these boats are here. This is like literally a pirate ship, and they're all just here. So I wonder how they got here. I mean, obviously I know how they got here, but like, I wonder why they're here. Like, what was the reason for them? But I love it. It makes it look even better, but it's kind of interesting. Okay, so I just got some Danish money from an ATM right there. I got 400 Danish kroner, which I think is about 75 US dollars. So that's what it looks like. So, pretty cool. Okay, so I just was over there, and that is France's embassy. You can see their flag there. And I was talking to a security guard outside, and he was really cool. Yeah, there is France's embassy, and it is right by the colored buildings here, like literally just across the street. So that's pretty cool. But it is starting to storm now, so, or not really storm, but rain again. So I would think I'm probably gonna try to go inside, because I don't want all my like my laptop and stuff to get wet. So we'll see what happens. Just got some churros with some chocolate. Look pretty good. They were 69 Danish krone, but I actually got them for 50. They gave them to me at a discount, so all I had was 100 and they didn't have change. Like the change, if it was 69, they only had a 50. So that's why I got them for 50. But they look pretty good. All right, guys, I'm probably going to end the video here. I'll have more videos from Copenhagen coming, and showing other things, and just walking around and showing you guys some of the city. So stay tuned for more.